Hey guys, it's Mary, and today I'm going to show you what's inside my camping bin, the bin that goes inside my tent, and all the things I use in my tent, and also around the campsite as well. You're going to hear my son in the room playing, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm going to try to remember to let you know where I got these items from, but my favorite places to shop for camping supplies is Harbor Freight, Walmart, Amazon, Family Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, one of those type of stores, Five and Below. So that's typically where you'll find a bunch of these different items that I don't really always shop at camping stores in particular to find my stuff. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So I have two 27-gallon bins. The bin down here, I keep my kitchen stuff in there, and I already did a video about that. And so this bin is another 27-gallon bin, and this one is what all this stuff will be into. The only thing that you're not going to see is my sleeping bags because they don't fit, but everything else goes. So we'll just go ahead and start with what's inside here now. We have this fold-out cube. I put our shoes in here in the tent, and I may actually get another one because it was overflowing. But it was really helpful because it kept the tent clean. So all the shoes were in one spot. And we're going to swing over here. This was the old bin I had. You see how big this was? Took up so much space in the car. This would be so much easier. Anywho, so I have the tarp right here. And then two of these blue mats I got from the Five and Below store. Got this from the Family Dollar store. We use this to wipe our feet off. We use these to step out on from the bed. It's nice to have something warm to put your feet on. And that goes with these moving blankets from Harbor Freight. It's nice to step on something warm for your feet. We have a queen and a twin air mattress. We do have cots. However, the cots are really big and they don't always fit in the tent. If we take two cars, they will fit. But I think I'm going to look for next year a smaller cot, but still use the air mattress on top of the cot, just to elevate us up a little bit off the ground and make it a little more comfortable for the adults. So let's talk about lights. I have a bunch of different lights. First time with camping, only had was this light. And that was not enough. I learned that very quickly. I needed more light. So I bought more light. I have this fan that has lights on it. That stays in the bin. These string lights, they were supposed to go underneath my deck. We never use them. So I brought them camping and put them around my tent. And they lit the tent up on the outside. So it's nice. So when walking, in the evening, or we could know exactly where our tent was at. And we got so many compliments of those cute little lights. And they're solar too. Then we have these two lights here. You just open them up and they're lights. They came in a 2-pack from Walmart for like $8 something. Amazon, and these were Amazon for years ago. This light came from Walmart. It's probably like $1 or something. It's just a little light, nothing super bright. But I bought this for my son to play with, so he's not playing with the other lights. And that came from Amazon too. That one there. For blowing up the air mattress, we do have a pump. We got the one where the car adapter, which I like because I don't know about batteries. Bug spray, sunscreen. It's important. We have those. We have these gloves for when we're collecting wood, and little sticks and stuff. So to protect our hands, which actually this should be in this little bag. Talk about that bag in a minute. Citronella candle, for bugs. Sanitizer spray. Oh, this little thing is super handy. We like to use this solar panel bank for phones and tablets. I don't bring electronics with me. We have our phone for safety reasons, but this is nice to have as well. It's always nice to have some type of charger. We don't always get electric sites, but when we don't have an electric site, those are very useful to have. First aid kit, that we actually got that kit from a friend. So you don't need this military grade kit. It's pretty extreme, the stuff that's in here. And I actually had to add like simple stuff like Band-Aids. I was like, oh my gosh. But whatever first aid kit you can get, definitely go ahead and purchase that because you never know what might happen. We have not ever had to use that, but I don't travel without it. In this bag, oh, before I talk about the bag, this is some rope that probably can go in the bag too. So this is a bunch of like little stuff in here that is kind of put together so they don't get scattered all over the place. So we have toilet paper. Always bring toilet paper, even if you don't bring your own camping toilet, you never know. A little bar soap, just in case if we forget our soap in our toiletry bag, or we drop the soap in the bathhouse, whatever. It's always good to have bar soap. I like bar soap better than liquid. But anywho, these are antibacterial hand wipes. Then we have the butt wipes. We have a trash bag. Use this for collecting little sticks and leaves to help start fire. We have a bucket toilet, so we use these bags that have the zip on it, and they have gel beads in there to conceal the smell. And that's it, really. Nothing there. That just keep all that stuff together. I keep the toilet paper in a plastic Ziploc bag. Like I said, little rope, always good to have, and gloves for picking up those sticks. I like doing things with my bare hands. This mat goes in our bath tent, and this is great for cleaning your feet with from, we do a lot of beach camping, so that's good for that. That mat also goes in the bath tent for when you're coming out to kind of wipe your feet on. It's pretty small and compact. That fan doesn't necessarily go in this bin, but if we're gonna be camping and it's really hot, I bring that as an additional fan to have in a tent, especially if we don't have an electric site. This fan is nice, but this one really blows out the air. So this is just in case it's a hot day. And that's pretty much everything that goes into this bin here. Like I said, my sleeping bags don't fit in there, and that's okay. They just go on the outside. This is probably a lot more than what you would bring if you're a basic camper. But if you like a little more comfort and you like to have nice things in your tent to make it comfortable for you, I feel like this is a really basic glamping kit that I got going on here. And if you want to know about my kitchen bin that's down here on the below, then definitely watch the video about that so you can see how we set our kitchen up with the stuff that we use, because we like to eat and like to eat good food. I think that's it. I'll leave a playlist at in the description below and some links and stuff so you guys can try to find some of these items on your own if you're interested. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.